Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use NSPanel to save file wherever you want on a macOS app using Flutter macOS. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So here I have one button, and if I click on it, I'm able to save a file wherever I want. I will save it on the download section, and it is a text file because I am sending some string data from Flutter to native macOS. And I'm not even writing any extension, but if you want you can add some extension, change the file name and click on save. If I go to my downloads folder now, here you can see the file has been created, and if I open with text edit, here you can see hello from Flutter. So let's see how to do this. So it's pretty simple. So here I have created my Flutter application. I have refactored this home page widget. So here I have created one method channel, and here I have created one method called save file. Once you call this save file method, it basically uses this method channel to invoke a method called save file. So we will have to define a method channel on native macOS side with the same identifier, as well as a method called save file on native macOS side. And here I am sending some data, hello from Flutter. Now if you see over here, I have just text button. I have one simple text button, and it just calls save file. Okay. Now you will have to open the XE workspace of your macOS folder inside Xcode. First thing which I have done is that I have updated the minimum deployment target to macOS 12 because there is something called uniform identifiers. I think that is supported from macOS 11, I guess, but just to be on the safer side, I have updated to macOS 12 the deployment target. And next, inside the main Flutter window, so this one here, before that there's one more thing which you have to take care of. Go to runner, go to sign in and capabilities, and here inside the debug and profile, make sure you add read write permission for your user selected file. Similarly for release as well, you will have to add read write permission for your user selected file. And inside main Flutter window, I have imported AppKit as well as uniform type identifiers. Then here I have created a Flutter method channel using the same identifier which we used on the Flutter side, and this is the same method which we have created on the Flutter side as well. So once this method is called, I am first extracting the data which we are sent from the Flutter side. Then I have created an NSSavePanel, given it some title, show tag field is false, and allow content type. We are saving text data, that's why I have saved this. And once it is okay, we get the URI. We just call this save file method. We pass the URI as well as the content. So here it just do content.write to URL, automatically is true, and encoding is UTF-8. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.